Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. If you are, my name is Jade Monet, and today I'll be doing a hair tutorial review on this hair that I received from Yolissa Hair. And honestly, you guys, I mean, she's stunning. Let me just give you guys the specs really quickly before I jump into the tutorial. So this is their Body Wave 5x5 HD lace closure wig in 22 inches, and it's 180% density, and I got it in the natural color, but I did dye it soft black, and I'll show you guys exactly how I did that later in the video. But I used the watercolor method, and I really love the way that it came out. Like, it came out bomb. What else did I do? Oh, I cut layers into the hair, but I haven't trimmed the actual length of it, so this is true to the length that it came in. For reference, I'm 5'3", so if you would like to see how I achieved this look, then keep on watching. When you do the watercolor method, you want to keep the lace as far away from the water as possible, so I'm just going in and dyeing all of the hair near the lace so that I can keep it outside of the bucket. So now I'm just filling the bucket with water and adding the box dye. I used 2 boxes of just regular box dye in soft black, and then I'm going to start dipping the hair carefully to make sure that it doesn't get on the lace. Then I'm just gonna let it sit in the water for about 20 minutes. I bleached the knots off camera, but I wanted to show you guys how they turned out. And the cap has 2 combs on the side, 1 on the bottom, and an adjustable hook as well. So now I'm just gonna do the bald cap method. I use alcohol wipes to get out any makeup or oil on my face, and then I use the Got To Be Glued Sprayed to secure the cap down. I'm not going to show you because I'm no pro, but this is how it turned out. I use my bronzer because it's closest to the color of my forehead to make it look like a scalp, and I'm just using the alcohol wipe again and my Ghost Bond glue to secure the wig. I believe that I used 2 coats. I placed the lace off camera so that it would be precise, but I used my comb to press the lace into the glue. And this is what it looks like. So now I'm just cutting off the lace. Another thing that's really hard to do on camera, but I'm just moving the scissors in a zigzag motion so that it looks more natural. And I'm gonna go in with my Got To Be spray to secure it, and I'm gonna wrap it up and let it sit for 10 minutes. Everyone needs this spray for their units. It's my favorite product to use on my wigs. I don't really like to apply a lot of product. This is literally the only thing that I use aside from mousse, and it just makes the hair so shiny, and it removes frizz, it protects from heat. It's just literally my favorite product. I like to style my wigs with baby hair because when I wear my natural hair, I always have baby hair, so I feel like I don't feel like myself without them, and I feel like it just frames my face a little bit better. So I'm just gonna take those out and cut them, and I use mousse to mold them. And this is my favorite mousse, by the way. I love this brand so much. Like, literally can't go wrong using this brand on your units. So now I'm gonna curl the unit. I'm using that same spray and my curling wand, which I will have linked below if I can find it. And they're just super bouncy and shiny. I'm telling you guys, get that hairspray. And I cut layers into the front of the unit just to frame my face, but I did it off camera because I wanted to be closer to my mirror. So I'm also no professional when it comes to cutting hair, so probably best I didn't show it anyway. So this is like the best part, honestly, brushing out those curls. And as you can see, the curl is holding amazing and it's super shiny. And yeah, this unit is so bomb. Just flattening out the front of the unit to sort of give it some lift. So the last step is concealing your part, and I only really did it at the end because I normally put powder or foundation on the other side of the lace, on the inside of the wig, but I forgot to do that step, so I'm just trying to make it super seamless. I have really no complaints about this unit. It's been a week since I filmed this video and I still have it installed and it's bomb. I actually filmed a video today with it on, so if you guys want to check out my Zara haul video, it'll be coming out within the next couple of days and you guys can see how it held up over the week. So this is pretty much what the hair looks like after about an hour. I let the curls just drop a little bit just to, I don't know, show you guys how the curl holds. And I didn't even use hairspray and it's, I mean, it looks bomb still. So what else can I say? The only thing that I will note is that the wig cap is pretty snug on my head. I'm always a size small, but sometimes the smalls are a little roomy still on my head. So if you're used to ordering a certain size and it's always snug, maybe size up, but that might just be because it's a closure and you can't like glue down the perimeter, so it makes sense for it to be snug. So I'm not complaining about it. It fits my head like perfectly. Let me see. Literally no shedding. Okay, I got one strand, nothing, literally nothing. Like, this hair is really good. I was genuinely impressed. Yeah, I mean, I feel like you guys watched me install it and everything. I feel like everything is pretty self-explanatory. This hair speaks for itself. I really don't have anything negative to say about it. I think maybe next time when I reinstall it, I think I might try to do like a side part. So yeah, follow me if you want to see that. But yeah, I mean, the lace literally melted right into my skin. It's just a stunner, okay? Yeah, I don't even know what else there's to say about it. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And I will catch you guys in my next video.